See here, substitution reaction. The reaction in which an atom or group of atom is replaced by another atom or group of atom is called substitution reaction. The nucleophilic substitution reaction, the substitution reaction in which an atom or group of atom is replaced by nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then types: unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction and bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So we will see bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is SN2 reaction. The nucleophilic substitution reaction in which rate of reaction depends upon nucleophile as well as substrate is called bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is also known as SN2 reaction. We are studying mechanism of SN2 reaction. Alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide is best example of SN2 reaction. Here methyl bromide reacts with potassium hydroxide, then methyl alcohol is obtained. In ionic form, methyl bromide, and here nucleophile is OH negative with lone pair of electrons, then methyl alcohol is obtained. Here OH negative is nucleophile. Then kinetic expression. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of methyl bromide as well as OH negative. So it is second order reaction. Here this rate of reaction depends upon both nucleophile and substrate. Here OH negative is nucleophile and methyl bromide is substrate. So it is second order reaction. When we remove this sign, then equivalent constant is taken, where K is specific rate constant. Then steps of mechanism. First step is backside attack of nucleophile. In SN2 reaction, the nucleophile OH attack on carbon atom of methyl bromide from backside, because here OH and Br both are negatively charged. Both are nucleophile and both are negatively charged. So they repel to one another. Therefore, this OH negative, which is nucleophile, attack on the carbon atom of methyl bromide from backside. Then formation of transition state. Here again in SN2 reaction, nucleophile OH attack on the carbon atom of methyl bromide from backside, because OH negative and Br negative both are nucleophile and they repel to one another. When this OH, that is nucleophile, attack on carbon atom of methyl bromide from backside, then the transition state is obtained. It is intermediate state, which is unstable state and having maximum energy. It is highly unstable state having maximum energy. It immediately decomposes into product. Here OH and Br both are attached to carbon atom with loose bond. Both carries partial negative charge. Here carbon atom becomes pentavalent, means here valency of carbon becomes 5. what valency of carbon atom is 4, but here valency of carbon atom becomes 5. So it is pentavalent, where OH negative and Br negative both are loosely bonded. Here every reactor must pass through transition state before formation of product. Here when product is formed, the bond between carbon and this Br negative breaks and bond between OH negative and carbon is formed and bromine leaves. Then inversion of configuration. In SN2 reaction, OH ion attack to the carbon atom of methyl bromide from backside, resulting into formation of product with inversion in configuration. That is, methyl alcohol has exactly opposite configuration as that of methyl bromide. Here, hydrogen atom were attached to carbon atom from this side, but here they are exactly inverted. Then last step is energy profile diagram. The graph between potential energy and rate of reaction is called energy profile diagram. Here potential energy of reactant is given when nucleophile OH attack on methyl bromide, then potential energy is given. Then this here transition state where carbon is attached to OH and Br with loose bond, and as a result formation of product, this potential energy decreases and form here product is obtained, that is methyl alcohol with inversion of configuration. The difference between potential energy of reactant and product is called enthalpy change, which is denoted as delta H. Thank you.